Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the LEXAN here I have on the car and the new LEXAN that's about to go on. Alright, so as you guys know before, the car has LEXAN around the sides here. I didn't do LEXAN on the hatch because I like the shape of the glass here, and I don't think I'll ever be able to match that shape with LEXAN, so I think for now I'm going to keep it. Right here I have LEXAN that I ordered online, but this is from Amazon, and it came in a sheet. I ordered 2 sheets for like 40 bucks, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box so that way you guys can check it out. You will have to cut your own shape out, okay? The front here door windows, this is actually from YNS LEXAN right there, and I ordered these tinted and they are flawless. I love them, guys. See, I got my door bar on my window brace here just to kind of keep it bowed out a little bit. This looks a little bit cleaner, and it's just a simple setup right there. In the front here, you see I have no windshield, and that's because I just removed the windshield to add the LEXAN, which I've been wanting to do for a long time. The tool I use to get the OEM windshield out is right here. I got it from Harbor Freight for $5, and it worked amazing. It worked amazing. So there you have it right there. That's the name of the tool. So I got my support braces right here that I made, and this is 1/8 inch steel, and I put a little angle piece right here on it. I welded that to there and riveted it into the car. And up here I cut a slit in the metal, bent it, and then re-welded it at the angle I wanted, drilled 2 holes in it, and then riveted it to that right there, and bowed it out just a little bit. I mean, this thing's pretty solid, and the reason I did 2 of them is because the LEXAN that I'm using for the front windshield is only 1/8 inch like the rest of the windows. I could not find this stuff in like the stores, 3/16, but I just went with this right here, 1/8. I think it'll be plenty, especially with the 2 support beams that I have there. Now this sheet here that I got, I bought it in 1 long sheet from Home Depot for like just under 200 bucks. I believe it's like 5 by 8 feet or something like that. I like using these diamond cutoff wheels on this stuff, the LEXAN and plexiglass and stuff like that, because it cuts a lot faster than a jigsaw, and it's not as violent on the material that you're trying to cut. All right, so I got the window cut out here, and I just did a test fit on it, and I need to take just a little bit more off on this side, like a 1/4 inch just down here, right there, just because it's kind of overlapping a little bit. But as you can see, I got plenty of space here to put rivets in all the way around. Plenty of space. All right, guys, I want to show you guys how strong this LEXAN is, okay? I'm going to try to break this piece. Look, I'm showing you guys, look at that. This is how strong this LEXAN is. Look at that, it didn't even crack. And I just bent it back. See how strong that is? That's why you guys have to cut this. You can't score it and try to cut it or break it, because it just won't freaking. Look at that. I took some masking tape and I just ran it along, you know, far enough back to where I wanted my black border to be. And then I took a razor blade and I just cut right along the edge of that tape there, and then spray painted it, and that way I didn't have to mask off the inside of here. This is still a protective coating. and there's a protective coating on the back side of the window as well. So I marked it so I know that the outside is on this side here. You don't want to paint the outside of the glass, paint the inside. So got the holes drilled out, and that's about it for right now. So next step would be to get the weather stripping on the car around the window. I got to go to Home Depot and pick that up, and then get the rivets in. You see I have everything masked off, and that's because I was going to use the original trim, but I didn't cut the window far enough in. So instead of using the original trim, I'm just going to paint this here gray like the rest of the car. Guys, I'm going to call it a day. I think that this looks plenty good, and I'm highly satisfied with the outcome on this here. I haven't put the black silicone in here yet. Not sure if I will. I might. But for right now, LEXAN is looking really good. I put the cover back over it. I just have to screw it in. Nice and solid. Got like that perfect bend. I put Velcro, the soft side of the Velcro, on the side of this here support beam or support brace, just to help with the vibration and whatever rattle might come from this, and just to give it some cushion. So I think that turned out pretty good.